Hey everyone, John Hunter here from School of Trade. Today we're going to be taking a look at a support and resistance type trade here on crude oil. Now, an overall gorgeous move to the upside here, but predominantly if we look back a little bit here, we've seen nothing but selling pressure. The buyers really tried to hammer it up here and they got dumped on, and that push down gave us a push underneath that prior low of day, and now we're starting to rise a little bit higher. Now, arguably on the way up here, you definitely want to be, possibly looking for a long trade back up, looking for today to end up above the prior low of day, maybe as a range type day, but we have so many things coinciding with the same area up here. We have a measured move up, and that's giving us resistance inside here. We also have resistance here at 21. We have resistance here at 27. And you can see that this area has been support and resistance all morning. We've seen them ping off of that level very frequently today. So we need to play that area as we see fit, and there's a beautiful little setup that we can drop a limit in. Small risk up at the highs there at 48, looking for continuation of the downside. So this is moving pretty fast here. So I'm looking to take everything off right here at around 88. We've already come pretty close. Around 90 is, about a front run of 87, and that's primarily just looking to go and sort of revert back to the mean, if you will, back down to the prior low of day, give it another test. So 36.90 is going to be our entry because we've fallen so far, and I probably missed that entry while I was talking. I'm going to move my stop to break even, and then we'll lock out all of that risk. Now, alternatively, you could just exit now, but I do think there's a really good chance that we see not only a push down to get to the prior low of day, but also through it. I'm anticipating the market wanting to go back down to these lows and form somewhat of a range through here with the overall target down at 52. Now, the price action that we've been seeing so far today is very slow, right? So it wouldn't be a surprise at all to see this take a little while. But right now, 36.90 is going to be the target. Very fast move up. We got our fill and immediately dumped right back down in towards our target area. So stops at break even. Now just looking to get a little bit more out of the move. So we'll give it a little bit of time here and see if we can get that fill at 36.90. All right, there we go. We get the fill at 36.90. Nice little quick push down. We're still on the same candle. Barely had to pause it there so we can cancel that stop. So beautiful reaction off of a very obvious known resistance location. And, depending on where you got filled, if you used a very aggressive type entry, and I guess it'd be more conservative because it's farther away, but you could drop a limit right on there and you would have been filled by one tick. There's a lot of different options in here to take this short trade right back down. But in a range type day, we're looking to sell high and we're looking to buy low, and that's exactly what we accomplished here. We sold high and we bought it right back down at the low. So it's 127 ticks back to the downside on 4 contracts. So 1,270 on the trade, and that's going to do it. So nice fast move. If you have any questions about it, feel free to shoot an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com, and as always, we'll catch you next time.